Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait.
I did what happened now?
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Mr. Ofo to Talkative. Guy, get one of my friend. I don't want this girl make she stop doing hookup, but she no gree. Guys, I'm going to put her for her body woto now. See, I don't arrange many things. I'll put her for her body woto. But don't forget, I'm not going to hurt her. I'm trying my best to make sure she stop doing hookup. Guys, wait to the end. Please share this video to others so that they will learn and stop doing hookup. Please, guys. Let me call her now. Let me call her. So cameraman, you go hide well. And you don't no mistake, I beg. No mistake.
La caca!
Hello?
Hello?
Favor, what's up?
I'm fine.
Okay, where are you now?
I'm on the way. I'm coming.
Okay, be fast. I there in Glaciers Hotel. When you reach the gate, call me.
Okay, don't put on 100K, you go pay me.
No worry, no, forget about the price. You trust me now. I'll do you well.
Okay, I'm coming. You see me.
Okay, go here now. Yeah.
Dissolve!
Oh yeah, guys, wait to the end. Oh yeah, set. Come on, cut first.
You are going to punish your papa!
Fine girl. Fine girl.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Okay.
More. You're welcome. How are you doing now?
I'm fine.
Well, you're looking good this time around.
Thank you.
Hey. Well, that man will tell me too much. I just want to because this is your package. The way I want to do another for you.
Pass them now.
Are you playing?
Let's go and go on to things, you know. Off your clothes now.
I will come out your teeth just now. You said that. This evening you will die.
The blood of Jesus.
Not be juju be that.
Jesus. What's happening? What's happening?
I hold him up.
What's happening now?
Stop, please.
Leave me now.
If you don't repent, fire will damage your ears forever.
Wait.
What's happening now? What do you want to do? Jesus.
Come first. Come, calm down.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Wait, stop, please. Wait. Stand up.
I'm sorry now.
Stand up.
I want to go.
Wait.
I want to go.
Wait, na plank.
You can like this.
Shake your head, stand up. Na plank.
Na
plank.
Yeah, my guy.
Leave me alone. Leave me, Jerry.
Don't finish am.
I don't go for my car.
Sorry now. Should I tell you to
I
stop?
follow my car, no.
I tell you to stop this. You know, agree.
Which can play with this one now?
Sorry now. Should be your money. I will pay your money.
I don't go, I beg.
Nothing there.
Wait, calm down.
Nothing there.